Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super useful topic: how to set up port forwarding for your TeamSpeak server on Xfinity in 2025. If you're a gamer or someone who hosts voice chats, this step-by-step guide will get you connected smoothly and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, what's port forwarding? It's a networking technique that allows external devices to connect to your server by opening specific ports on your router. For TeamSpeak, this is essential because it uses certain ports to handle voice, queries, and file transfers. By the end of this video, you'll have your server up and running without any hitches. Before we start, make sure you have a few things ready: admin access to your Xfinity router, TeamSpeak installed on your computer, and a stable internet connection. Also, note that Xfinity's interface might have slight variations, but the core steps remain the same. Step 1. Open your web browser and type in your router's IP address, usually 10.0.0.1. Log in with your Xfinity credentials. If you haven't changed them, it's often admin and password, but use something secure. Step 2. Once inside the router settings, navigate to the Advanced section and look for Firewall or Port Forwarding. Click on it to access the port management options. Step 3. Hit Add New Rule or Create Port Forward. You'll need to enter the ports for TeamSpeak, typically UDP port 9987 for voice, 10011 for server queries, and 30033 for file transfers. Double-check these in your TeamSpeak settings. Step 4. In the same rule, specify the internal IP address of the device running TeamSpeak. Find this by opening Command Prompt on Windows and typing ipconfig, or on a Mac, use ifconfig. Make sure it's a static IP to avoid changes. Step 5. Save your changes and restart your router if prompted. Now, test your TeamSpeak server by trying to connect from another device outside your network. If you run into issues, like connections timing out, check your firewall settings on your computer or ensure Xfinity isn't blocking ports due to security features. You might need to contact Xfinity support for double NAT problems. And there you have it. You're all set for seamless TeamSpeak hosting in 2025. This setup not only improves connectivity but also enhances your overall gaming experience. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.